Ordering bingo cereals is easy and convenient on MyDORWAY. To get started, log in to your MyDORWAY account. From the account screen, click the Request a new range of bingo cereals hyperlink. This is the bingo cereal range request. A bingo manufacturer can request bingo cereals in ranges of 10,000 to be used in the manufacturing of new bingo cards. If more than 2 bingo cereal ranges are requested in a calendar year, the request is subject to review by the Department of Revenue. In the bingo cereal range request, select Yes to confirm. When you click Yes, your selection is highlighted by a blue line. Click Next to continue. Click Submit to complete the request for a new range of bingo cereals. Enter your password, which will serve as your electronic signature. On the confirmation screen, click the Print Confirmation button to save a hard copy of your confirmation for your records. Click OK to close this screen. Once submitted, the request for cereals is processed on the following business day. Once the request is processed, a message containing the assigned cereal range is displayed. To view that message, click the Action Center tab. You can also view cereal range information by clicking the View Cereal Ranges hyperlink. On the Bingo Cereal Range Request Details screen, you can view the date the cereal range was requested, the status of the request, as well as the starting and ending cereal range once the request is issued. For more information about MyDORWAY, including tutorials and how to sign up, visit dor.sc.gov/MyDORWAY. Thanks for watching.